How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can pair your HP Rechargeable MPP 2.0 tilt pen. So I'm referring to the official documentation on how you can connect this device right here, so you could just go ahead and follow along. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to remove the pen from its packaging, and then you want to twist the pen to simply unlock it. And if that didn't work, you could go ahead and try doing it the other way. And then you simply want to pull the end up to access the charger. So it will then show up like this. You want to charge with USB-C first, just to make sure that your pen has power. And then right after, wait for at least 1 hour and then disconnect the charger, twist the pen cap to close and lock it back into place. So that's the first step, is to making sure that you have power on your pen. From there, in order to pair it with your laptop, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to press and hold the top button for at least 3 seconds. And then right after, of course, now we have to head over to the Bluetooth devices. It's as simple as typing Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Device, click Bluetooth, and from there you will be able to find your HP Tilt Pen, and basically you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.